Alright guys, Anthony 4x4 Diesel. This is going to be one of the quickest videos we've ever made. We're not mucking around. You should do this on any engine, checking the oil pickup. This is a 1KD with diesels. We've explained the reasons why. Don't get oil on your... I'm going to just try and show you. See, shining the light in there? See, no camera needed. That is a phone approximately 4 inches away from the hole. And you can see in there the mesh. Clean and clear. I just want to show you can see a bit of silicon up there. Let me show you that so I can show you what to not worry about. Okay, so that grey stuff, that's engine assembly. Don't worry about it, okay? You might see a bit of fluff from a rag from someone. I don't know if the dipstick or the oil cap or someone's been in there, whatever. Anyway, guys, please understand what I'm saying. Free insurance. They're just looking there. What did that take me? 49 seconds so far. Free insurance. Any engine, any technicians, diesel people, whoever you are, whatever workshop, get your guys, please have a meeting now and tell them this is what we need to do. Get them to watch this video. And for other important information that nobody else is telling you, make sure you subscribe, give us the thumbs up, turn the bell on, and stay up to date with all the information. All right, guys, thanks for watching. See ya.